Well, I've been working on the car. No surprise there. And I was just going to take the dogs for a walk. I washed my hands and everything. Unfortunately, I just had to go to the loo, so I happened to see myself in the mirror. Well, what strange weather. It's 4th of August, and believe it or not, here in Oliver, we haven't seen the sun this month so far. It was supposed to be nothing but sun, 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 no clouds, but it's been just like this ever since the beginning of the month. Low clouds over the hills there. The dogs don't really care, but there you go. So we're going to have our normal walk. I'm calling Oscar at the moment, and when I shout you can hear an echo and he can't work out where it is. Oscar! Come on! Don't know whether you can hear that. Just made him jump. So this is our usual walk. We start off over there, parked by the school. Then we walk along the track over towards the hills over there. And we walk along the track sort of under the hills, well, not quite under the hills, until we get to just over here. Then we cut through, then we cut over here to where the ruins are and the palm trees. And then we follow this track back over towards the school where the car is. That's about 1.5 miles or so, I suppose. It takes us about 45 minutes because we have to have the odd break to have a good sniff, of course, and the odd wee. And, well, the dogs like to do that as well. Boom, boom. Well, that's the end of our walk. The wind's starting to pick up now, of course. Now I've started talking. So we're off back home, probably to a very boring weekend, because we lost the internet this morning. 2 men arrived, went up the pole opposite our house. We lost the internet, they buggered off, and since then we haven't had the internet, which probably means we won't have it until at least Monday now. So that means no TV, it means can't get on with the websites I'm working on. The joys of living in Fuerteventura with this Stone Age internet. Oh well, I suppose things could be worse. We might even have to talk to each other, I suppose, Sue and I. Oh dear. How about this for a lazy dog? He won't jump all that way into the car. So, like a fool, I have to do this. Lazy dog. Well, it's the 6th of August now, and we're still covered under this blanket of grey cloud. It's very misty, because you can't see the hills over there. You can just about make them out at the bottom there, I think. It's been like that all of this month, despite the fact that my weather app says it's been sunny all day, every day. So I took the cleaning to the laundry, the covers, and I gave them 1 bag by mistake, which was meant to go in the charity bin. So we paid about €15 to have the charity stuff re-washed and ironed. Aren't we kind? Just had my haircut in Cotillo. There's a smart boy. olive trees here. I've got a little drink. Yet another Kalima. It's been stiflingly hot today. I think you can probably see by the sun just how much dust there is in the air. Well, I've been working on the car, no surprise there, and I was just going to take the dogs for a walk. I washed my hands and everything, and fortunately I just had to go to the loo, so I had to see myself in the mirror, because otherwise I'd have got taken for a walk looking like this. And no doubt, even though I don't normally meet people, I would have met loads of people I know today. Better go and clear this up.